In this video, I'm going to explain how to remove and replace the assembly catalogs and product catalogs in PlanSwift. Okay, these are the Red Rhino assembly and product catalogs. Now, I have PlanSwift open right here. The reason that you might want to do this is sometimes we update or add assemblies or we add products to the product catalog in Red Rhino software, okay? And in order to take off in PlanSwift, you actually drill down into the Red Rhino catalogs to import things. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to remove these and then import new ones so that they're updated. Okay, so we'll notify you when we do update the assembly and product catalogs, and at those times, that's when you'll have to know how to do this. So obviously I have PlanSwift opened, and the catalogs appear over on the right here. Now, in order to delete them, what I have to do is, or what you have to do is, you have to go up here and click on Templates, okay? At the very top tab, it says Templates. Click on that, and when you do, it'll open up a new window. Now, there's several different sub-tabs or lower tabs here you see here. Now yours might look a little different, but there's different ones here. I just want to point that out. But the one you're looking for is the Red Rhino one, okay? So when you click on Red Rhino, here we go, I just clicked on it, then it displays the product and assembly files here. Now, in order to delete them, you simply highlight on it, or really rather click on it, and you click delete. I'm going to do that now. So I click delete, and when I do, it opens up a window. Are you sure you want to delete all the selected objects? And if you don't, you better not, because you can't take it back. So I'm going to click yes, and it spins for a bit here. Okay, I stopped the recording, but it spun for it took about 30 seconds or so to delete that catalog. Now I'm going to do the next one. I simply, again, I click on assemblies. I'm going to delete this. I select it. I click the red X delete button. It says, are you sure? I click yes. Again, it spins until it finishes. Okay. Okay, that took just a few seconds, I should say, to delete that catalog, or that file, I should say. Okay, now next what you want to do is you want to import our updated catalogs, okay, or files. In PlanSwift, they're called files. So you click Home on PlanSwift. Now you should already have your Red Rhino connector downloaded. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to log into the RR connector, the Red Rhino connector. So you click on it, and when you do, it opens a window and you log in. Again, you log into the Red Rhino connector the same way you log into Red Rhino. Okay, so I've typed in my login credentials and I click login. Give it a few seconds and it opens up the Red Rhino connector. Okay, now next what we want to do is we want to import, I move this over here to the center, we want to import the catalogs here. So what we'll do is I click on the drop down that says manage jobs, and I click on, I'm going to import the products and assemblies here, okay? So you see it right here. So click the drop down. First I'm going to do the products. So I click import products. When I do, it displays the products that I'm going to import. Now I'm going to select them all. Now this could take up to 10 minutes, okay, or longer, even depending on your connection and depending on your computer speed, okay? So I'm going to import all of these items at the same time. I simply click on Import Products. Okay, so I'm going to click on Import Products and I'll start the recording after I've done that. Here you can see the progress bar as it's proceeding to upload this, or I should say download the catalog. Now this is a tremendous amount of data, so be patient with it, the process. It takes some time to do this. Again, it's importing a tremendous amount of data. Once your import is complete, down at the bottom of the connector it shows import completed successfully, and of course the bar across here is full. So next what you want to do is you want to do the same for the assembly catalog. So I click on the drop down here on the connector, select import assemblies, there it is, select import assemblies, I'll click select all, and again I'll click import assemblies or not again, but I'll click import assemblies to populate them into PlanSwift. So I'm going to do that now. I'll pause the video and come back on when it's complete. Once again, we see the progress bar here as it's downloading, and I'll again pause the video until that's done. Okay, again, then when it's completed, it says import completed successfully, and you can minimize the connector there and just start working on PlanSwift. Okay, that's the way it works.